there was a cave-in. Unless... They got loads of it down there. I've heard the explosions.
All right, people, we got a new mission.
Control.
Find the dynamite, clear the tunnel, and get the hell out of here.
Wait.
Короче, сидят.
Да.
У вас была когда?
Yeah. Sure thing.
Хоть обосрал.
Огнемет на мощная оружие.
I know I was joking back there. That was rough.
Заправляется канистрами.
Ah, shit. Watch your feet. There's some spiky-looking worms on the ground.
Но нельзя использовать оружие обычного выкидывать. Естественно.
Need to take care of this.
А там все наши?
Ooh, shiny. We could use that cart to transport the explosives. That's if we can find them first.
Something doesn't feel right.
Did that hurt?
А, я могу их руками.
Reloading.
Так, мы ищем динамит.
That's it. Got the dynamite. Come on.
Так, что тут?